Introducing the Crown Smart Vessel by Sample Automation. The Crown Smart Vessel allows manufacturing facilities to standardize, automate, and scale the production of high-quality THCA diamonds, high terpene sauce, and rosin. Traditionally, manufacturing processes have been slow and unpredictable, consuming valuable laboratory resources, oven space, and labor. The amount of quality of the outputs have also varied widely and remain difficult to scale effectively or record for consistency and reproducibility. This all-in-one PC and microprocessor-based system allows operators to monitor, track, and control each step throughout the reaction process, offering real-time data insights into production capabilities. This smart vessel comes equipped with pressure, temperature, and ventilation controls which accelerate the timescale of the separation process to start seeing results faster and with more consistency. Visit sampleautomation.com for more information.